Hello everyone, welcome to Chirags SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to find out owner of any databases in SQL Server. For finding out the database owner, we can using by two ways to in a SQL Server using store procedure and second is using system views. Let me open SQL Server Management Studio. This is my SQL Server Management Studio. Instance is connected with that. There is a list of the databases. I want to find out the owner of the database. First, we'll go through the store procedure. There is a store procedure sp underscore help db. Let me run that. So these are the databases, name of the databases listed here, and size of the databases, owner of the databases, and database ID, when it was created, everything, all the data details you will get. And main thing we are seeing in this video, owner of the databases. These are the owner of the databases. Second, we can find out the using the system databases system view, and second is system databases system view. There is a two ways we can find out the databases. Let me run that. So these are the databases name and this is the owner of the database. If you want for the particular database, then you can write the where condition here, where name is equal to, just like I'm going to put sales sort. So I got the database detail for the sales order. Like one more query is there. So these are the databases list and owner of the databases. So in this video, we learn how to find out the owner of the any database in SQL Server. We use the store procedure sp help db and using the system views. That is a two query for the system views. We got the database detail. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.